Good morning. I'm Mike, and this is...
I'm Anna.
And we are here to work on Anna's 2002 Jeep TJ. There's a long list of things that the Jeep needs, but we're going to start with something that we hope is going to be pretty easy to do. We're going to replace the multifunction switch that goes in the steering column. And we are doing that because...
fog lights are randomly coming on, so hopefully this is going to fix that issue.
So this will be a process. We're going to take these covers off, get to this switch. We need to take this lever off of there, get on to the new switch, and hopefully plug everything back in, and that's going to resolve our issues. So I guess we will get started.
We're taking the screws out from under the steering wheel.
What are they, like 5 miles long?
Yeah. I've had to take these out before. I hate them.
Is that when you did the flasher?
Yeah, flasher relay for the LED lights. Oh,
there it is. I'll go get it.
Oh, there it is. Okay. There it goes. Alright.
Maybe lock the tilt so that it stays down.
Got to take these out too. It's going to be a Torx head. Probably this T15.
Is that it?
Yep. Should have brought Zeus out here.
Alright, come out.
What'd you say, Zeusy? Yeah, that's a good boy. It's a little dusty in here.
It's a big surprise. The Jeep is full of dust.
Shocker.
Yours is cleaner than most.
It needs a bath. Alright. Should have watched someone else's YouTube video first.
Ah, voila.
Wow. Okay, so we just gotta unplug.
I'm gonna unplug the thing in the back there.
Oh, I hate plugs. Okay, so there's a couple of plugs in here that we've got to unplug to be able to get the switch out. So this one right here. Slide that tab out. Need a thank you. Alright. And then oh man. It's as far down as the steering wheel goes.
Would it be easier to take?
I got it. Okay, so there's one. And then the other one's right down here. Can't really see what I'm doing. Okay. And then yep, okay. Got those unplugged. And get the rest of it out.
Voila!
Alright.
Yuck!
There's the two.
So this is the new one. So we need to take this assembly off and attach it to this one.
So, got a T10 to remove these two little screws here. Slide out the windshield wiper controls. Alright. Just slide out.
Kind of yucky.
It is kind of gross. We're going to wipe it down. put it on the new one. Alright.
Alright, so there's the new switch.
And how was this on there? This. It's on there.
Yep.
Alright. Alright.
Guess it's ready to go back in.
Slide her in. It's pretty gross in there.
Just kind of dusty.
Definitely seen grosser. That's for sure. Alright. That's gonna plug in.
I feel like we're being dive bombed by a World War II fighter plane here. Is that all the way in?
I feel like it sits.
I think it goes further down.
Something.
Oh, it's got holes down there. It's got to sit in.
Yeah.
Okay, I see that now. Down here on the bottom.
Just move this out of the way.
Oh wow. Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. You got it.
All right. I guess it's in there.
Looks like it, because these are flush here.
Yep.
So that's how that was.
All right. So
Plug it in.
plug it back in. I don't mind plugging in a plug.
Yeah, slide that red tab up. Looks like it. There you go. Alright.
Getting out a plug. I hate.
Well, they've never been unplugged since it was put together, probably. Oh, you know what? You got to put your relay flasher in there.
Oh, this is the.
Turn signal flasher.
Yeah.
And we had to change that because you put LEDs in there and they were doing the fast flash thing.
Yeah, this solved the quick flash problem. So. I can't see.
Is it the right way?
Pretty sure.
Oh yeah, there, something's clicking. Your hazards. Voila. All the Jeep people are laughing about you wiping the dirt out, probably.
Probably. Keep mine clean, okay? Looks so new.
Oh. Got like a groove in it. There you go. Yeah. All right.
over here, gotta get the button that you push for the key.
All the
Yeah,
key
this joker.
accessories.
Oh,
Yeah,
there it
yeah.
went.
No, you got the tab sticking outside the top though.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, I need to get the rubber that off of that for this side.
Okay.
This other side.
Oh! Oh, you get a grunt. There you go. Pull the sock off.
Chinese finger trap. Which way?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's almost like you know what you're doing now.
It's just for the. Oh.
It's all about, you know, you got to flip the hat around, hold your mouth right,
Yeah.
all that. Plus about 30 years of experience.
I'll get
All right.
there.
So I had pulled the fuse out for the fog lights.
Okay.
So we need to put that back in. All right, so this all started because these fog lights were just randomly coming on. We are pretty sure it was because of the switch, but I had taken the fuse out for the fog lights, and it's the number 19 20 amp fuse. And the question is, what do I do with that 20 amp fuse? That one says fuel and injector, so we don't want to do that. I think maybe I need to go, oh wait a minute, maybe I just put it up here because 17 didn't have any. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, so I'm just moving this 20 amp fuse back down to the fog light thing. You want to go hit them, see if they come on? Yeah, they're on. Can you turn them off? Okay. Now that we've done this brings me to a question.
Oh.
Seeing your headlights.
Yeah.
You have LED headlights in there that we bought off of Amazon.
Yes.
They look very good. They're very
look good.
nice on the Jeep. They are bright.
They are bright.
And you're constantly getting people harassing you about your bright headlights.
Yes. I've been pulled over. I've been all sorts of things.
So the question is, now I know people drive around with aftermarket headlights that are bright. Even factory headlights sometimes are too bright. So I'd be interested to know what people think about your headlight situation.
Yeah.
You have said you're thinking about putting your old headlights back in.
Considering it, yes.
I don't think you should have to do that. So it'd be interesting to see what people have to say about that. They want to put some comments in, what they think about headlights. You don't want to be that guy that's blinding people going down the road.
Right.
And we've talked about maybe looking and seeing if there's some adjustment we can make. Maybe they're just aimed wrong, but we didn't change anything except the headlight itself. So anyway, that's an aside on this whole project, but looks like we got it done. Got everything put back in. Didn't take very long. It was pretty easy. There are some guys out there that have videos on how to repair these switches so that you don't have to buy another one. So we'll probably hold on to that one. Maybe we'll look at that. Maybe we'll break that apart and see. But there's a piece in there that wears out, and that's what causes it to stop breaking the contact for those fog lights. So they just randomly come on, even when the Jeep's off. I mean, you came out and they were on. So good way to ruin your battery and all that kind of stuff. So don't want that to happen. So we'll hold on to that switch. Maybe at some point we'll go back and look at, can it be repaired? I watched some videos. It involves some, fabrication. I don't know that I have a high level of confidence that that's the best thing to do, but people seem to have done it and had success. So we'll go back and look at that later. But at any rate, good job.
All right.
You got your fog lights working.
Yep.